Okay, now we start the next video of surface area and volume, class 10 mathematics. We take MCQ questions, multiple choice question for 1 marks questions. So, see first question. A slender pencil sharpened at one edge is a combination of dash. Cylindrical pencil, just like this. This is sharpened, so it's a combination of cylinder and cone. If I say a surai is a combination of, the shape of surai is just like this. So this part is the cylinder and this part is the sphere. So the surai is a combination of cylinder and sphere. If I say the next question, the plumb line Sahul is the combination of Sahul, just like a triangular shape with the hemispherical bottom. So the combination of hemisphere and cone. The shape of a gilli, in the village, some students are playing gilli, not in the city, just like this. So combination of two cones and a cylinder. If I talk about the next question, shuttlecock. Shuttlecock, this is a combination of frustum and the hemisphere. Talk about the next question. A cubical ice cream brick of age 22 cm is distributed. A cubical ice cream cube 22 cm distributed among some children by filling ice cream cone of radius 2 cm and the height 7 cm up to a beam. It is filled into the conical shape of radius 2 cm and the height is 7 cm. So how many ice cream can be filled? So the number of ice cream is equal to total volume of number of ice cream cone is equal to total volume of ice cream upon volume of one cone, that is length cube upon volume of ice cream. This is a shape of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. 22 22 22 upon 1 by 3 22 by 7 r is 2 7 cancel, 22 cancel, 2 11 2 11 11 into 11 into 3, so 363 363 ice cream can be filled by this whole cube. Question 7. The diameter of the sphere is 6 cm. Question 7, sorry. The diameter of the sphere is 6 cm. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter 2 mm. So the radius 1 mm. You can convert into centimeter by divide by 10. So how many length of wire use? Simple word, volume of sphere is equal to volume of wire 4 by 3 pi r cube pi r cube pi r square h, pi cancel, 4 by 3, r is 3 into 3 into 3, and this r is 1 by 10 into h, because it is millimeter, so we want to change in centimeter, so we get the value that is 1 by 10, 3 cancel, so 4 3 12 3 36 into 10 3600 centimeter length of the wire is formed by using this sphere. So you can also write 36 meter. That's the options. Okay, pause video, so you have to rub this so you can note down. Let's see question number 8. The radii of the circular ends of a frustum of height 6 cm, 15 cm and the height 7 cm respectively, then the volume of the frustum. Very simple question. I think you have no problem to solve it. Volume pi h by 3 r square plus r r 22 by 7 h. Height, the frustum height is 7 cm. Radii of the both end, the radii of the circular ends of the frustum of height 6 cm, r 15 and 7. Capital R is 15 cm, small r is 7 cm. So pi by 3 into h r square r into r. 3 to the 6, 44 by 7 into 225, 49 plus 105. So we get 230, 330, 379. Then solve it. You can take that is the in centimeter cube. So we have to get the multiplication form and then multiply both. So we get the value that is 0.12 centimeter cube. You can multiply it. I am not taking the time for the multiplication. Multiply this 2 and divide by 7, you get this answer. Okay? You only explain the questions. Question 9. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug in earth, forming a ding evenly spread out the form of platform 22 into 14 meter, the height of the platform. Means this is a well in cylindrical form, and the walls are taken out and spread evenly in the ground and form a platform of 22 meter long, 40 meter wide, and the height is I don't know. So if all earth is spread here, so what is the height of the platform? So depth radius 20 meter. Sorry, deep. 20 meter deep. And the radius is 7 meter diameter to 7 by 2 meter radius. So same volume of cylinder is equal to volume of platform. Platform in the shape of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Cylinder is same of pi r square h. 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 20, length 22, breadth 14, height I don't know. 22 cancel, 7 cancel, 7 to the 14 cancel, 2 10 20 cancel, 2 5 that is 2.5 meter height of the platform is forming by all the soil spread evenly in this platform. And see question number 10, last MCQ. From a solid circular cylinder with height 10 centimeter and radius of the base is 6 centimeter, height 10 centimeter, radius 6 centimeter. A right circular cone of the same height, right circular cone of same height and same base is removed, then the volume of remaining solid, means same types of cone is removed from here, so the remaining solid, so the volume of remain solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Pi r square h minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, pi r square h, whole pi r square h common. Here 1 remain, 1 by 3 remain, 22 by 7, radius 6, height 10, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Solve it. So you can say 3 over 6. So 6 to 12 to 24, 240 pi, or you can not, if you not put the value of pi, because in these questions the value of pi is not put in, so that's your choice. If the answer is given, so I will take the pain for the solving these problems. We will leave the answer as a pi form. So that's MCQ question. My main motive to explain the two things, the whole timing and the question solving on time with correct in a simple manner, and how we consume your time. We explain, solve, then we take the approx 11-12 minutes. But if you solve in board examinations, you have to take less time because you only want the answer for the MCQ. Means MCQ questions have to give you time for the next question. We have not have to problem facing. So solve, and the main things, when you solve the question, your answer is come in one time. If your answer is not come in one time, so that's very blunder mistake for you. Pause video. Thank you.